What's the meaning of chart topping? Chart topping. Chart topping.
Chart topping. Chart topping. Chart topping refers to a song or album that reaches the top position on a popular music chart, which tracks the sales and popularity of various songs or albums. This term is often used in the music industry to indicate a significant achievement, as it suggests that the song or album has been widely embraced by listeners and has generated substantial revenue for the artist or record label. Achieving a chart-topping status can increase an artist's visibility and reputation, potentially leading to further success and opportunities within the industry.